Happy rainy 420, everybody. I wanted to give a quick rice update. You see, I sowed this 2 weeks ago and it's all germinated. Now in the smaller undrained pot, it holds more water more quickly. So it doesn't matter. Rice will absolutely tolerate this kind of condition. But if that weirds you out, you can just, dump it out. And you'll get a little bit of that mulch, which I used ground pine bark as the top dressing. Some of that will float out as well, but it's no big deal. And yeah, we get a lot more rain. I'll do this as well to these other pots, but right now these larger pots, I think these are 10-gallon, don't have nearly as much water saturating the containers, so it's no problem.